to mount the leg and the cover that has the spring inside. If you mount it so it's basically a triangle on the leg, that's for our peg. If you're going to attach a heavier peg like a Kuryakin or Rivco, rotate the leg, put it in the other spring hole so it sits basically square. That's for the heavy peg application. We're going to put on our peg, put it in the spring hole, has it on an angle. Once you get the bolt started, kind of pull out on the leg so the spring doesn't come out of the hole that's in the leg. When it's about finger tight, the roll pins will hold the cover away. Rotate the cover to lift the leg, then go a little bit more to square the cover, push in, and tighten your bolts. Then we attach the peg. Your pegs will come with 2 coupler bolts. This is for the occasion of mounting a heavier peg in place of our peg. If you were attaching a Kuryakin peg here, you would have set the spring in the other hole. Put our peg through there, put the coupler nut on it, and then the Kuryakin bolt that goes through the peg will screw into that and tighten them up. We're going to put our peg on. And there you are.